Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is just a little video because, well, you haven't seen much metal work recently, and the reason being is that the motherboard here, sorry about the lighting, it's not wonderful, has failed. Well, it's not the motherboard and such, it's this relay here that's gone, and I can't get one of these again. It's a Zettler relay, but I have got a modern equivalent. I did check this capacitor here, and one of the legs had actually come away from the motherboard. A bit difficult to see, unfortunately, in this light, but yeah, it's right next to that one there. But yeah, I've managed to source a replacement, and that would be this here. Bought it online, so that's good. And I also bought some flux, which is useful, a stand for the soldering iron, a sucker for the solder, and move that. And in here is the actual soldering iron itself and some solder. So in the next video I'm going to be attempting to fix the motherboard and get the welder fixed up again so I can actually do some metal work. Thanks for watching.